some of them, some of y'all don't know me. Welcome to my YouTube, the DeanOBuzz. I do music. I'm a fashionable person, all fashion person. Hey, I'm just at the edge of the Red River right now in Winnipeg, so I thought let me turn on my camera and make some vlog or leave a memory story. Oh, that's kind of whim, kind of my being. And if you're my old subscribers, welcome back over to my channel. Welcome, I welcome you by a lot. I like to heal, focus myself, revise myself, dwell, um, come to nature, pond or river here. I'm at the edge of river, a lot of trees surrounding me. All deal the sun is so warm. I'm thankful. I'm thankful for my day. Today I'm thinking of going to the Live Center. Oh no, that's tomorrow. That's my plan. Promised to one of my friends name is Bado. I'm like, we gotta go to the Live in Asino Point. It's like a museum or not museum, but with these plants, trees, unique crops. So I'll take him tomorrow, Friday. I'm very Live Center. I had so much bullshit day today. I gotta call the EIA. I called them today and tomorrow too. I'm gonna call them, ask them for bedding allowance. That's something you can ask for here. That's fucked up for sure. So much terror. As far as this year's going, fuck Trump. The grandson of Ibrahim Traore. You know, we're living in a revolution. I don't know, I was resurrect one. I wasn't born here, but this is my home. I've been here for 13 years in Manitoba. So. I don't know if y'all see me clear. I feel like my video is kind of dark if I'm so far away. Let me get this camera back to me over here. Yesterday I was trying to say, I was rapping, I was saying, I forgot some shit. But I'm always out here advocating, enjoying life and trying to make examples of myself. Well, 4 people are watching. I didn't even knew that. Really, that's so cool. I'm sorry, my phone is like I'm holding it the other way around, so I cannot flip my phone. How do I do this? I really lost my ways with YouTube, guys. Your family, welcoming. I want to see your messages. I like to